Hey guys, this morning I'm going to, while I have time, because I'm going to have a pretty busy schedule the next few days. I'm going to get these, both these pairs of speakers. Now these two I've had for years. I got these at Blum's auction before. Now they're Blum's auctions in Deer Lake, but they used to be up in Frackville, by the Frackville Mall. I got these years ago. And a buddy of mine had them for a while and stopped using them because he said they didn't sound right. And I'm like, there's nothing wrong with those speakers. Well, it turned out this one here, the mid-range wasn't working, and luckily it wasn't the driver because I'm not sure I'd ever be able to find one of those mid-ranges ever again. Turned out to be a freaking pad joint on this selector switch here for the, I guess it's for the soundstage setup. You can do it running on full, 2 or 3. Now, I have it running on full range, obviously. I guess these are in case you're using a separate amp or if you're only using them for a certain frequency, I would think. But I always hooked them up to this and ran them on full range. So, yeah, we're going to stick with that. I have everything set to off on all the tone controls. Just for obvious reasons. I cleaned all these out with the Oxid. I bought the good stuff, too. This is like, what? Crap. Actually, I only paid 15 bucks for it. But this worked wonders on my Sansui receiver for the tone controls. It worked good on this Panasonic for the volume and everything, tone controls and stuff like that. And I'm going to use it on my JBL pot too. And I did it on the pots for the Sansui speakers, which I'm probably just going to do them in 2 videos so it won't get boring. And this is actually a gift my woman got for me for Christmas. I got to put it up there on the wall. So, yeah. That's definitely my favorite gift I've gotten in a long time. Alright, anyway, so yeah, we're going to demo the Panasonics first, and ironically enough, I have them hooked up to a Panasonic receiver. So, yeah. I got a couple discs loaded up in here, so I feel like the CD is the best way to test them. That's an album I hope everybody knows. So we'll do a few jams off of that just to test them out. And hopefully none of these will get me hit with a copyright. Gotta do 6, definitely. I have everything. No, I don't. I want to set everything to flat. Flat, and all tone controls are off. I'm not going to crank it so you won't get, interference and distortion in the phone. Now that is completely flat. Actually, I shouldn't have talked over that. How detailed that was. How that jumped out right at you? That's flat. That's with no EQ whatsoever. The phone does us no justice, but I'm telling you, this thing sounds incredible. It was incredible. Just so you guys an idea. Yeah, if you wanted to get crazy, you could. I can give it some bass. I think these are 12. Like these speakers really come to life flat, and that's how you can, to me, that's how you can tell if you got a decent set of speakers or not. I mean, theoretically speaking, you can make any pair of speakers sound decent, but as time goes on, I'm learning that the best ones are the ones that sound good with the EQ flattened out when you're literally just the CD do the work. Now your source has a lot to do with it too. kind of glad we did Great White Hope first, because that's actually a song that's on here too. And this is pure coincidence because I did not plan this out this way. This tape's been in there for years. I don't really use the 8-track player, and the thing's kind of crap. This 8-track actually sounds pretty decent on most of my decks, actually. And for some reason, I think it's just, maybe this one's just worn out or whatever, but maybe magnetized. I tried magnetizing, I've tried cleaning it. It doesn't make a difference. I'm going to try to find a parts unit RA6600 and just steal the tape deck out of it and hope it works. But yeah, the sound difference, just for shits and giggles, check it out. That's flat, and even if you move the treble up, if I had the treble all the way up and back the bass off a little bit, it sounds tolerable, but not great by any means. Alright. Let's go back to the CD. What kind of person cannot like that song? I don't have to tell you who that is, because everybody already knows who that is. Even without me showing you the disc, you would still know who that is. And don't judge me for the brisk iced tea. I pretty much all but quit drinking. I think I got, yeah, disc 3. I forget what track number though. I'm gonna let you number 4. I'm gonna let you guys figure this out for yourself. Flatten it back out. The bass is pretty heavy on it. Crystal clear, you hear move between speakers. There you go. Perfect. A little bit more volume. I'll be amazed if anybody can tell me who that is. Anyway, I think that's pretty much going to be it for this one. I just want to give you a good idea of, you know, what these can do. Look at the data plate on the back quick before we go to the Sansillies. And don't worry, I do have some AC videos coming up. It's just that this time of year, you guys know, most of you guys have been following me for my whole entire time. You guys know I do a lot more miscellaneous videos during the winter time. During the summertime, it's pretty much all air conditioning related, but I can't really do much with air conditioners right now. But yeah, that's only a 70 watt peak, and that freaking kicks. the high frequency response on this is, and even the mids are just incredible. And for a, I think that's a 12. Looks like a 12 to me. Like I said, a 12 and 12 are really freaking, between the two of them, really pumps the lows out pretty good. I was actually contemplating on testing all four at the same time, but I'm gonna do them in 2 separate videos, being I'm already up to past 10 minutes on it. So yeah, that's that. And I'm trying to think if there's anything else I gotta. Oh, they have a couple cosmetic imperfections, which is really unfortunate because they're really nice speakers. This is the best part of the song, so put these covers on quick. I'm gonna get these back. Show what they look like with the grills on. These lattice grills, they would look really good near the Santillis. That's the thing about the cosmetic imperfections because they sound amazing. And I bet you with a pair of, like I said, I have a soft spot for the old Fishers. I bet you with these, with the Fishers for the bass, I bet you that would sound freaking phenomenal as a mix, or even just standalone. Like I said, one of these guys, I'll see what kind of bass each 15 here put out. But I'm gonna pause you guys. We're gonna hook this back up, the Santillis back up. I'm gonna put these away for now because I'm done working on them. So. It'll be a very good set of speakers when I get my new garage to it. I'm probably going to use that receiver again and hook a CD player up to it. Because nothing sounds better than a CD. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I'll talk to you later.